The international patient safety goal is to provide protection by reducing the risk of infection.
Here at St. Luke's, our housekeeper plays an important role in maintaining a clean and safer environment for our patients.
Good housekeeping is an important element of safety, while effective housekeeping, on the other hand, can help control or eliminate potential workplace hazards.
Our housekeepers plays an important role in prevention and control of infection.
We are not just another housekeeping services. We are also at the front line of prevention and control of infection.
Infection control is how we prevent or stops the spreads of infections to any of our patients.
We know our job. We are trained to clean and always consider the safety of our patients.
We understand how patients are feeling, and we intend to carry out our duties to create more healing environment.
Our objective is to offer the tranquil, infection-free, and welcoming environment that is required for our patients.
Making sure that the rooms we provide creates comfort, delight, and satisfaction. We constantly put ourselves in the position of our patients.
Our role as leaders is to guide and provide support for our housekeepers.
Housekeeping is a very challenging job. We must be willing to learn and progress, so we may be able to share our skills and experience in the future. We must be very careful in everything that we do.
We need to abide with all necessary standards and requirements of patient safety.
Keeping my patient safe by using the right equipment and chemicals. Rooms with isolation precautions need to be sanitized more carefully. I know I am safe because I am using and provided with the right personal protective equipment.
When you find significance in your efforts and live the vision of your organization, then people are more likely to succeed. I think what motivates all our housekeepers is that they know how important they are.
I know my role is vital. I know I am making purpose in other people's life.
I hope I will be able to make more patients happy.
I thank God for the opportunity for being able to help others.
I am aware of the situation. We always ready to help and listen carefully for what is being said.
That is making our patients feel better.
I always feel safe working at St. Luke's.
I love my work.
I love my job.
We are grateful to everyone in the team for their commitment and the hard work, and recognize the challenges we face both at work and at home during the pandemic. And I salute all housekeepers at St. Luke's Medical Center.